The SUV market is a crowded one. With so many options available, it can be overwhelming to choose the right vehicle for your needs. Every manufacturer seems to be vying for your attention, each promising the best in performance, comfort, and technology. Every other car on the road seems to be a big, bulky 4x4. These vehicles dominate the streets, often looking more like tanks than cars. They offer power and presence, but sometimes at the cost of elegance and efficiency. But there's one SUV that stands out from the crowd: the Kia Sportage. Unlike its competitors, the Sportage combines style with substance, offering a unique blend of aesthetics and functionality that is hard to find in the current market. Now I know what you're thinking. A Kia? Really, Clarkson? Yes, really. Kia has come a long way from its humble beginnings, and the Sportage is a testament to that evolution. It's not just another SUV, it's a statement. Hear me out, this isn't your Nan's old Picanto. The new Sportage is a sophisticated machine designed to meet the demands of modern drivers. It's sleek, it's stylish, and it's packed with cutting-edge technology. This is a proper bit of kit. Whether you're navigating through rugged trails or cruising on a sleek highway, the Sportage handles it all with ease. It's built to perform, no matter the terrain. The Sportage has always been a popular choice, but the 2024 model is something special. It's not just an upgrade, it's a complete transformation. The designers have gone back to the drawing board to create something truly remarkable. It's been completely redesigned inside and out. The interior is a marvel of modern design with high-quality materials and a layout that prioritizes both comfort and functionality. The exterior, meanwhile, is bold and dynamic, turning heads wherever it goes. And it's packed with more features than you can shake a stick at. From advanced safety systems to state-of-the-art infotainment, the Sportage has it all. It's designed to make your driving experience as enjoyable and stress-free as possible. But what makes the Sportage so special? What is it about this SUV that sets it apart from the rest? It's not just the features or the design, it's the way everything comes together to create a cohesive and compelling package. What sets it apart from all the other SUVs out there? It's the attention to detail, the commitment to quality, and the drive to innovate. Kia has poured its heart and soul into the Sportage, and it shows in every aspect of the vehicle. Well, buckle up, my friends, because I'm about to tell you. We're going to explore every facet of the 2024 Kia Sportage, from its powerful engine options to its luxurious interior. We'll look at how it performs on the road and why it's the perfect choice for both city driving and off-road adventures. In this essay, we'll take a deep dive into the world of the 2024 Kia Sportage, exploring everything from its striking design to its impressive safety features. We'll see why this SUV is not just a vehicle, but a revolution in the making. So stay tuned as we uncover what makes the Kia Sportage a true star reborn.